recording. Elder pala to.
Oh no! Oh no!
Nalberry.
Yeah, para mawala yung ano.
Daya kasi halos parang one shot na rin yun eh.
Oh,
What? Okay na one shot na.
Like,
Eh,
no
at
joke.
least hindi Sem.
That is literally one shot, man. Indirect one shot.
Yung ano, yung fart beam niya.
Yung effluvium in general.
Ayan, yung
Oo nga,
ganyan.
gagi. One shot nga.
Yeah,
Parang-
aalisin yung HP mo.
No.
I love
Nalberry
fighting.
ka putang ina.
Natalo pala talaga natin to ng ano, no? 3 player lang tayo.
Hmm.
Damn, this is annoying as shit.
Uy! Nice.
I just got here, man. Hello.
Nakikita ko yung effect ng ano siya, Elder Seal.
Ito, dito pa lang gagana yun.
Yeah, ayun o. Oh, wala na.
Boom, no more fight aura. Let's go. Putik bro, wala na ako HP niga. Yes! May pa rin ako niga.
Oh, namount mo?
Hmm. You wanna be next, bro?
Alright, taga lang. Tenderis yung mga perks.
Ako din.
Oh,
You want to be next too, bro?
tomorrow, bro. Just wait.
Yeah, bro, I can't wait, man.
Don't just said that Virgil comes to those who waits.
Oh. You don't know. Again.
I need to sharpen as well.
You
Oh.
need to shard.
I need to shard as well, bro.
What the hell? Saan pupunta to?
Bago sa gitna.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, nice.
Napipisi, bro.
Ba't nga yung falling boulders IRL sa kanila one shot eh.
Ulit.
Tama lang.
Bro, man. May kinain. Oh, what the fuck?
Hmm. Grabe.
Spread his gas.
Spread your cheeks next, bro. Ah!
Uy, huwag niyo paharapin sa akin, Kagi. May fluvium ako.
Teach me!
Okay, may problem. Ah. Oh, what the fuck? He farted.
Oopsie. Holy crap, tama niya mid-air.
Bro's gas, man. Bro's just gassing it up.
Pwede ko pala i-shield yun.
Yung mga ano, ganyan, oo. Pero yung...
Oh god.
Pero may chance na ano, matitake effect pa rin.
Oh, please, I'm dead.
Same man.
Ayun, kala ko sa akin nag-aim. Yung head kasi nag-shake left and right. Di rin kasi mag-aim.
Dog, isang piraso na lang nalberi ko, putik na boss na.
Please stop! It's not funny.
Yeah, for real man, it's only funny when he dies. Oh, mali na naman, thank you.
Oh, now
I
he's...
know. Agitator on God.
Yep. Third.
Oh, God.
Umiikot kasi agad siya, yung annoying eh.
Yung parang Shara.
Hindi, umiikot siya pagka may pagkatas ng iframes, ng end lag niya.
Ah, nega!
Pinatang mo na, Beres, nigga!
This PHR abuser, bro.
Kongo.
Ang likot niya, tapos hindi mo alam kung nasan yung head. What the fuck?
Ah, yung tail at saka yung head.
Nakakalito.
May bulbul kasi humuhuli siya kung buntot.
Ayaw!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Teka. Hindi kami makalapit eh, Bill.
Yeah, but I don't wanna get farted, man.
Wait,
Yeah,
one shot na lang pala ako, man. What am I doing?
Okay. Okay. Oh, hey. Ang likot naman tong kupal na to.
Ang sikip sa pwesto natin.
Ang likot yan.
Mag-fight lang to na AOE, lahat tayo patay na dito.
Magulti siya.
I'm not going in there, bro. Wala kayo dyan.
Hey!
Emil?
Magkakamp muna ako. Wala na ako nalberis. Ayoko na.
Recall ka muna.
Wala akong forecaster kaya maglalakad ako pumunta, guys.
Oh shit, he's shooting up the place. He's gassing up the place.
Home sweet home.
Oh,
There's no FFM here. Nigga!
bro, it's just gassing up the place, man.
Resentment dito eh.
Oh, wala.
Ba't lumiliko siya?
Gusto niya eh.
Bro,
Oh,
Daya.
nalas na naman ako, man.
Wait,
Damn,
what
I
can
hate
we...
this guy. What the fuck is this?
Bro.
Yeah, correct, nigga. Oh god, you're dead.
Yeah, bro, I'm just gonna forecast the hell out of here.
I'm a fart caster. Gonna fart in your mouth, fart
What
in
the
your
fuck you
mom,
doing?
and fart in your dad. Yeah, bro. Yes, bro, I am. I'm a proud fighter at that one. Fart, fart, fart.
What's up, my fellas?
What the hell? Condolence activated. I might be dead.
Con- Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Really?
Oh my god, ang clutch ng forecaster doon.
yan.
Yo, nice one, nigga. panira yung Rafinos. Holy crap.
My God, thank you, Forecaster. May isang card na ulit sana tayo kung di ako nakapag-Forecaster doon.
Bro is eating up gas. What?
Dog, nag-clench yung ass cheeks ko doon.
Patingin nga.
Mamaya,
What the?
Bro, dyan naman.
may fluvium pa ako, mami.
Ang hirap niya, no? Easy wall.
Yeah, bro, you wanna know what's harder?
Man. What is it?
This boss, bro.
Ah.
Dahil?
Oh,
Holy crap, I'm dead.
Hi there.
oh, I almost died.
No, you're not.
Wala na akong pat. Lang to. Please. Amir, kill ka muna.
Fucking forecast the hell out of there, bro.
Salo.
Go lang.
Whoopsie.
Oh, wait.
Nag-reset for some reason.
Okay.
Ayun, salo na nila. Oo, hindi na tuloy yung ano ko eh, for some reason.
Wala na ako ng stock.
Nigga, stay down. Please.
Oh,
Yeah, hell yeah. Fuck that. I'm gonna forecast the shit out of game.
what a goofy I was.
I ain't risking another card for the team.
I'm dead. I'm
Why
actually
dead?
dead.
No, you aren't. You're
No,
not.
you aren't.
Daya talaga ng ano. Fluvium.
Ulti.
Ano yan?
Boom.
What is it do?
Lalapag siya ng DOT sa lapag.
Cloud, ano?
Don't touch
Cloud.
it?
Oh, it's dying.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Alright. Oh, I touched it. Tell you.
Wait, nigga, dyan, go heal. What are you doing?
Yep. Wala naman ako dyan eh. Wala akong supply. I need to. Item ba?
Dun, 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 dun. Tururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururururur Stop running, man.
Bullet na uli ako.
Where are you going? You ain't escaping me.
5k na lang yung health. Focus na.
Tubig.
Yo, double cart, on God.
Nope, I got out. Nag-firecaster ako.
Nice.
Tick na yan.
Ang goofy naman yan.
Naubos yung Nalberry ko. Oh, gagi, I'm dead. Never mind.
1k na lang yun.
Am I dead? I got 1 HP, man.
Get up, bro, get up.
Got you, bro.
1k na lang yan.
Yo, 1k, 1 death na lang daw.
1k and 1 death.
Wait, serious yung one that?
2.
To the death. Full na yung Elder Seal.
Putik, bro. Nakailang... Oh my God, man. Ubus na yung Nulberries and dalawang set ng Nulberian potions. This is so ass.
Ano may HP ko? Oh my god.
Aray. Wala na akong pots ulit.
Go home.
Hell no.
800
Ano
health.
gagawin? We can literally banzai this nigger right here.
Why is it following me?
Ay,
100
pati na to. Na perfect crush. Ah,
Damn, I can tell you guys enjoyed that.
on skibidi.
Nakailan try tayo na rin dito, Sean, sa ano? Asa?
Ito lang talaga ayokong boss.
Ang
And
grabe yung resources. Yung resources na kinakain kasi.
One shot ka for no reason, bro.
Kaya nga eh.
Hey, that's
Effluvium.
you.
I can call Effluvium one shot, bro.
Hey, that's just me existing. I can tell you guys hate it.
With all of my heart. Kaya ako nag-craft ng ano eh. Virgio, ano, CD.
Oh my goodness. Pure dragon blood.
19 minutes, not bad.